Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jessica and I'm a part-time reseller on Poshmark and Mercari, and today's video is going to be a mystery reseller unboxing. I have purchased from this person a couple of times in the past, about probably over a year ago now, and she always has the best mystery reseller boxes, so I am super excited. I'll leave her information in the description box below if you want to go check her out. I'm very excited. I did spend $30 for the box and then I paid for my shipping on top, so it came out to about $37. So definitely keep that in mind for your cost of goods, but this is a really great way to go sourcing during this crazy time of the quarantine, so we really can't be out at the thrift stores. So this is a really great way to get some extra clothing. So here is what the inside of the box looks like. And everything is kind of in a bag. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is adorable. So this says thank you, and it's a hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. That's kind of funny. And it's the Peach Bellini. That's super cute. I love it. Thank you. Okay, and that's something kind of cool to look at, is like how other people do their boxes. Do they put like something extra inside of it? Thank you. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so now we're gonna go through all of this in here one by one. Okay, the first thing I see is Free People Movement. So this is a new with tags. That's awesome. So we have here Free People. Originally $28 retail price, brand new. It is a tank top. Now, I haven't had the best experience with tank tops in the past, but I definitely want to, oh, I like this detailing here too. But I definitely am going to model this so that I'm going to put it with like a jean jacket and some jeans, and maybe like tie this up or something, so I can kind of show how you could dress this up. And it has this little detail in the back. So Free People is definitely something that I would buy, but this style particularly I wouldn't, but I do think I can resell it because it is brand new with tags. Very, very lightweight, so perfect for spring and summer. Okay, so that's item number one. Number two is a pair of jeans, Lafayette 148. I have heard good things about these jeans. It is a size 6. Really, really nice condition. Really nice wash. It's like a blue, and it has these little embellishments on the back. So really nice jeans. I can try to model them. I'm a 2 or 4 depending on the brand, but this might be a little big, but I'll try to model them. These are in really great condition though. And at the end, we're gonna look up all of these items and how much they have sold for on Poshmark. Okay, this one, let's see, it's inside of a little baggie. And I do like to keep these and reuse them. This is super cute. Maeve, which is an Anthropology brand. Oh my God, I love this. So this is really cute for spring or summer. This is the back. It's really lightweight, super cute detailing. I love this. Really cute. So yeah, this is definitely in season, super cute. I feel like this would do pretty well. So that's been 3 items. Here's the 4th item. This is Loft. It's a skirt, Loft skirt. I typically would not pick this up, so I'm hoping this would resell. It is a size 12, and it's definitely has the spring colors. So it's definitely cute, but I probably wouldn't pick it up if it was just for me, personally, but I think it still will do well. And again, it's Loft and Taylor Loft. And if you guys see any of these items that you are interested in, please feel free to send me an offer. Okay, Marc by Marc Jacobs. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, size 6. Here are the straps. This is so cute. This is a dress. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love this detailing right here. And then the back looks like this. This is adorable. Super, super cute. Oh my god, I love it. That's adorable. So, I think this will do really well. We'll look it up on Poshmark too. But yeah, Marc by Marc Jacobs. And there's 2 more items. Okay, this one. This is from Madewell. And it looks like, oh, this is so cute. I think I might wear this until it sells. This just looks like a blue, like, dress for the spring. It's really light, very simple, really cute. Good for the springtime. Super cute. And then this is the last item. Athleta. The size I'm not too happy about, extra small, but these are really cute. I feel like these would do really well, and there's no pilling. These are like in perfect condition. So size extra small, Athleta, and really cool pattern, especially for like spring, going into like the blues and the lighter blue colors. So super cute. So overall, I'm really happy with the pieces that I did get. The only one that I'm kind of not too happy about is this Loft one, the Ann Taylor Loft. Not too happy about that, but hopefully that does well. It is spring colors and it is a skirt. I typically just don't buy skirts because they don't do well for me. So that's the only thing. But other than that, I think these items are really great and I think they'll sell really well. Now we're gonna go check out these brands and see how much we can actually get for them. I am on the Poshmark website and I'm looking up first the Madewell dress, the blue one. So we are going to also look up by the exact size that it is and everything. So we do have, okay, so my size would be that. For small, so Madewell dress, and then we're gonna go down to sold to see how much this type of dress would have sold for roughly. It doesn't have to be exact, just like an estimate, just so we kind of have an idea. So this dress looked very similar to this. So this is like a $20 it sold for. Let's see here. We have, again, it's like the plain kind of blue dress. This one sold, well, it has lace and it was new with tags, but that sold for $65. Let's see. Oh, very similar to kind of this, $25. So I'm thinking between $20 to like $30 probably for this one. Okay, so now we're going to look up that Ann Taylor Loft skirt. And that size was a size 12. So let me edit this. And this is something definitely for you guys to look into doing if you need to narrow down like what you are. If you're in the thrift store and you need to narrow down what you want to purchase, this is definitely a great option to just check out what the sold listings have so you can see how much money that you would possibly get. So here, like I had thought that this would be probably not something that I would buy, but here we have like $16, $15, $14, $20, $14, 15, 36, 10, 10, 12. So definitely not something that I would buy. I'm kind of upset about that, but it's all right. So I'm guessing probably maybe tops 20 bucks, but I'm guessing more so probably like 15. Okay, so then let's do the Marc by Marc Jacobs dress. And let's see. So that dress was a little bit more than just a plain, I would say like around this kind of style. So that was $49. This one sold for $80, $120. That's like real silk. Let's see, $90, $225. That's a little bit more details, something more similar to this, so like $65. So my guess is between like $50 to like $65 for the Marc Jacobs one. Okay, so let's look up the Maeve top. Okay, so the Maeve top, let's see, we have $35, $30, we have $39, $28, $25, $38, $30. So I'm thinking anywhere between $25 to $35. I've never actually sold Athleta leggings before, so let's look up Athleta. All right, Athleta leggings, $30, $37, $25, $29, $35, $35, $22, $25, $29. So probably anywhere between like $20 to maybe like $35. Definitely keep in consideration like the sizing definitely I think plays a big part in selling. Like extra small is a very specific size that most people are not looking for. Small, medium, large is like your basic sizing that most people are looking for. But those like one-offs like extra small or extra large or something like that it might vary depending on the sizing. Going to look up is the Lafayette 148 jeans. And I've never sold that before either. Lafayette 148 jeans. And these are a size 6. $30. Oh, let's go to sold. That's not jeans. $20, $30, $35, $79. Oh, those are wax denim, so that might be why. 15, 24, 25, 68, 20. So this is a wide range. I would say this is kind of all over the place as far as pricing, but definitely between like 20 to 40. That's like a pretty big gap. I try to stay within like $10 to $15 gap when I'm guessing the price, but probably 20 to 40. And then, oh, the last one I had was the Free People tank top, and it's brand new. So let's see, Free People white tank top. And that's brand new with tags. So anytime that something is brand new with tags, it's always going to be a little bit more because it's never been worn before. So here, let's see, $18, $25, $16, let's see, $12. Yeah, it's probably not going to be a lot, like maybe 15 or 20 bucks max, probably. Yeah, I would say like 15, 20 bucks. So overall, I mean, it's not the best mystery reseller box I've ever gotten, but it's definitely has great items like the Marc by Marc Jacobs. So these three are my favorite items. This Marc by Marc Jacobs dress, I think this is going to do very well. I think the detailing is super cute, and I think that will do really well. And this Madewell dress, I really love this. I might even just keep this for myself. It's super cute. So I really like that. And then the last one is this mauve tank top that I really like. This is perfect for spring and summer, and it's really lightweight, so I really like that one too. But overall, I feel like it was a good mystery reseller box. I'm happy with it, especially in a time like this where I'm trying to revamp my Poshmark closet, and some of these styles, some of them are not my style and I might not even list them, such as the Ann Taylor skirt, but then the other ones definitely are my style, so I definitely will list those. Overall, I would say this is like a 7 out of 10 for rating the mystery reseller box. If you guys did like this kind of video, please let me know. I would love to make more mystery reseller boxes for you guys. I do enjoy getting them, and it's fun, and it's a new way to get, well, not new, but it's a great way to get inventory, especially in a time like this where we can't physically go in to a thrift store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. I have a lot of reselling content, and hit the little bell notification so that you are always notified when I upload my videos. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.